Welcome back to Little Bites Kitchen. Today we are making healthy and delicious meals for your 8-month-old baby. We'll prepare breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All simple, nutritious, and baby approved. Make sure to watch until the end and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let's begin. Breakfast banana oat mash. Ingredient: banana oat, breast milk or formula. For breakfast, we'll make a soft and creamy banana oat mash. Now, gently cook the oats with a little water over low heat until they're soft and mushy. This only takes about 5 minutes. Next, mash one ripe banana until it's smooth. Bananas are packed with potassium and natural sweetness. Babies love them. Add 2 tablespoons of cooked oats. Add the cooked oats to the mashed banana. Then mix in a little breast milk or formula. This helps adjust the texture so it's easy for your baby to swallow. Then mix in breast milk or formula until you get a smooth baby texture. This meal is rich in potassium, fiber, and healthy energy for your baby's morning start. Lunch, lentil and tomato puree. For lunch, we're making a protein-packed lentil and tomato puree. This one is a favorite in many homes. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons red lentils, 1 small tomato, a slice of onion, 1 small garlic clove optional, a few drops of olive oil, water. Start by rinsing your lentils thoroughly. Then boil them in water for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're soft. Boil red lentils until soft. Add 1 peeled tomato, a thin slice of onion, and a small piece of garlic. These add flavor and nutrition, especially vitamin C and antioxidants. Let everything simmer together until it's soft and easy to blend. Once it cools slightly, blend or mash it into a silky puree. And don't forget to drizzle a few drops of olive oil. Healthy fats are so important for brain development. This puree is full of protein, iron, and flavor. A perfect lunch to keep your baby full and happy. Dinner: avocado and sweet potato mash. For dinner, we're keeping it creamy, soft, and satisfying with an avocado and sweet potato mash. Ingredients: half an avocado, half a medium sweet potato, breast milk or formula optional. Step 1. Cook the sweet potato. Peel and chop half a sweet potato, then boil until it's fork tender. This usually takes about 10 to 12 minutes. While that's cooking, mash half a ripe avocado. It's full of healthy fats and great for your baby's brain and eye development. Mix the sweet potato and avocado together until smooth. Add breast milk or formula for a creamier texture if needed. And there you go, a colorful, vitamin-rich dinner that's perfect to end the day. And remember, feeding time is bonding time. Be patient, go slow, and enjoy these little moments. So today we made banana oat mash for breakfast, lentil and tomato puree for lunch, avocado and sweet potato mash for dinner. Thanks for joining me in Little Bites Kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other parents. And check out our playlist for more baby meal ideas for every month. Until next time, happy feeding!